Today, we are putting two all-season contenders to the test, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 and the GT Radial ClimateActive. Michelin has long dominated the all-season category, but can GT Radial's ClimateActive pull out an upset? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, performance metrics are shown as percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 2 set at 100%, based on the 2024 Autobuild all-season tyre test. First up, let's talk about wet performance. In wet braking, the CrossClimate 2 stops 0.2 meters shorter, making the difference almost 0%. In wet handling, the ClimateActive 2 is 2 km per hour faster, giving it a 2% advantage. But Michelin fights back in straight-line aquaplaning, resisting hydroplaning 1.7 km per hour better, a 2% advantage in deep water stability. So in wet, ClimateActive is the better handler, but Michelin offers more hydroplaning resistance. Now on to snow performance, where things get interesting. In snow braking, the ClimateActive stops 0.6 meters shorter than the CrossClimate 2, giving it a 3% advantage. However, in snow traction, the CrossClimate 2 delivers 53 newtons more pulling force, a 2% advantage. In snow handling, Michelin is 2.2 km per hour faster, giving it a 4% edge in snowy conditions. So, ClimateActive brakes better in snow. CrossClimate 2 is the better performer in traction and handling. When it comes to mileage, this is where Michelin really flexes its muscle. The CrossClimate 2 lasts 19,780 km longer, a 32% advantage in mileage. It also has 39% lower abrasion, meaning it wears down significantly slower. If longevity is your priority, Michelin is the clear winner. In dry condition, the CrossClimate 2 stops 3 meters shorter than the ClimateActive, giving it a 7% advantage. However, in dry handling, both tyres perform closely, making the difference negligible. So in dry, Michelin is the superior stopper, but handling remains evenly matched. When it comes to ride comfort, the ClimateActive takes the lead. It produces 0.8 decibel less road noise, giving it a 1% advantage in exterior noise reduction. From fuel efficiency wise, the CrossClimate 2 delivers 5% lower rolling resistance and consumes 0.14 liters less fuel per 100 km. That's mean better gas mileage over time. Now let's talk about price. The ClimateActive is 26% cheaper than the CrossClimate 2, making it a budget-friendly choice. So, which one should you choose? The Michelin CrossClimate 2 remains the benchmark in all-season performance, excelling in dry braking, snow handling, mileage, and fuel efficiency. On the other hand, if you're looking for better handling, shorter snow braking, lower noise, and a more affordable price, the GT Radial ClimateActive is a solid alternative.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.